Halor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, Kamashin Kabalas Nakarpang Kabakhamskem, Kamsted, Kamklan, Batbaduna Bam Bniah.
Meglia SSA School Association Haka Arpasatri Urisau Arajar Pesan Lapa Daga Review Petition Syaka Yeng Bishar Supreme Court Ban Kyrpad Yaka Yeng Bishar Bahkan Khmih Bniah Biang Halor ka Hukum Belapan Mi Haka Asyitarik Unai Luar Arajar Pesan Kababatha Babarok Kinai Kai School Kiwaladan Haka Kam Hikai School Bagi Deban Pendap Yaka Teachers Eligibility Test Hau kurwa pelapas kila patai kubor link ba ka video u presiden ka Mssasa uba Aristotle si rembai ulai kublai gino hikai school SSA kibla ajing kershan met batmen sia mekaseng halor ka jingpha ya ka review petition syaka yeng bishar Supreme Court.
We are here to inform you all the SSA teachers in particular and other categories of teachers in general in the state of Meghalaya that the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body yesterday the 24th of October 2025 we have filed a review petition in the Honorable Supreme Court of India seeking the Honorable Supreme Court to review its final judgment dated 1st September 2025 in the case of Anjuman Ishaq-e-Talim Trust versus the state of Maharashtra, which have made teachers' eligibility tests mandatory for all in-service teachers, irrespective of their length of service. So we would also like to extend our heartfelt thanks to all the SSA teachers for their support and prayers that make us possible to file this case yesterday. So, if there is any latest update regarding this case, we will inform you in the days to come. Thank you.
Pen reus pa ya kaktin la jong pen dan kam ya kabakan kiu kaktin kasi kaktin la jong akan roy kan pa kakentin risau kadai bat kamut ya upanai basipo jong kasnem Hau ni Bniah, kaladeiru ka portion rai, haka bakislading slasi, kikup ya karong risau. Kani ka kentin risau, kamurru ya ka metba jong uknam. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi tak kapati CTV, nakamenta ka jingmentoy upat ba.